From beginner to pro, advancing your BingX copy trading strategy. Copy trading on the BingX cryptocurrency exchange is an excellent way for beginner and experienced traders alike to grow their portfolios. By copying the trades of successful traders, you can leverage their expertise and capitalize on their market insights without having to conduct in-depth research or make complex trading decisions yourself. However, to truly maximize the benefits of copy trading on BingX, it's important to develop a strategic approach that evolves as your skills and experience grow. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the process of advancing your BingX copy trading strategy, from the basics for beginners to the more nuanced techniques used by seasoned traders. Whether you're just starting out or looking to fine-tune your existing strategy, you'll find valuable insights and practical tips to help you achieve your financial goals. Getting started with copy trading on BingX. If you're new to BingX and copy trading, the first step is to create an account. When registering, be sure to use the referral code 911 to take advantage of exclusive benefits and promotions. Once your account is set up, you'll need to familiarize yourself with the copy trading functionality on the BingX platform. This includes understanding how to search for and select successful traders to copy, as well as how to manage your copy positions and adjust your strategy as needed. One of the key advantages of copy trading on BingX is the ability to start small and gradually increase your investments as you gain confidence and experience. Begin by allocating a modest portion of your trading capital to copy trading, and gradually increase your exposure as you become more comfortable with the process. Developing a diversified copy trading strategy. As a beginner, it's important to avoid the temptation to allocate all of your trading capital to a single trader or strategy. Instead, aim to build a diversified portfolio of copy positions, spreading your risk across multiple successful traders with different trading styles and risk profiles. To achieve this, carefully research and evaluate potential traders to copy. Look for factors such as consistent performance, risk management practices, and alignment with your own investment goals and risk tolerance. BingX provides detailed trader profiles and performance data to help you make informed decisions. In addition to diversifying your copy positions, consider also diversifying your portfolio by allocating a portion of your trading capital to your own research-driven trades. This will allow you to develop your own trading skills and gain a deeper understanding of the market, while still benefiting from the expertise of successful BingX traders. Optimizing your copy trading strategies. As you gain more experience and confidence in copy trading, you can start to explore more advanced strategies to enhance your performance. This may involve 1. Active monitoring and adjustments. Regularly review the performance of your copied traders and make adjustments to your portfolio as needed. This may involve increasing or decreasing your allocation to certain traders, or even closing out positions and finding new traders to copy. 2. Leveraging BingX's advanced features. BingX offers a range of advanced features, such as the ability to set stop-loss and take-profit levels, that can help you manage risk and optimize your copy trading strategies. 3. Developing trading filters and criteria. Establish a set of criteria for selecting traders to copy, such as minimum performance metrics, risk management practices, and alignment with your investment goals. This will help you build a more consistent and effective copy trading portfolio. 4. Incorporating market analysis. Combine your copy trading strategy with your own market research and analysis to gain a deeper understanding of the factors driving the performance of your copied traders. This can help you make more informed decisions about when to adjust your portfolio. 5. Automating your copy trading workflow. Leverage BingX's advanced API and integration capabilities to automate certain aspects of your copy trading workflow, such as order placement, position management, and performance tracking. This can help you scale your copy trading activities more efficiently. Advancing your copy trading skills. As you continue to evolve your BingX copy trading strategy, it's important to also focus on developing your own trading skills and market knowledge. This can involve 1. Participating in BingX's educational resources. BingX offers a wealth of educational materials, including tutorials, webinars, and a comprehensive knowledge base to help traders of all levels improve their skills. 2. Practicing with a demo account. BingX provides a demo trading environment that allows you to test your strategies and refine your approach without risking real funds. 3. Continuously learning and adapting. Stay up to date with the latest market trends, news, and analysis, and be willing to adjust your copy trading strategies as the market evolves. The key to successful copy trading on BingX is to approach it with a long-term mindset, a willingness to learn and adapt, and a commitment to managing risk effectively. By following the strategies and techniques outlined in this guide, you'll be well on your way to becoming a confident and successful copy trader on the BingX platform. Don't forget to use the referral code 911 when registering on BingX to take advantage of exclusive benefits